Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to stop all scam emails in Microsoft Outlook. Stopping scam emails in Microsoft Outlook is very important to ensure that your email is free of threats and all forms of scam. Alright, the first thing you want to do is ensure that you already have your account set up, and you can do this by heading over to your Google Chrome browser. Just type in Microsoft Outlook and it will take you to this page where you can create your account, get yourself properly signed in or logged in to your Microsoft Outlook platform. Having done all of that, you'll be navigated to the home page, which will look something like this, where you can stop all scam emails in Outlook. Now, scam emails can be very frustrating and quite dangerous to your Outlook. All right, but while you cannot stop 100% of scam emails, Microsoft Outlook provides you with powerful tools that help to greatly reduce scam emails and protect your accounts. Now, how can you achieve this? How can you stop all scam emails in your Outlook? First of all, you can decide to turn on high junk email protection on your Microsoft Outlook platform, or you can always report scam and phishing emails. Let's show you how to turn on high email protection. First of all, go to your inbox platform, all right, where you have all your mails, and then head over to your home page rather, and then head over to junk email. Click on junk email and the particular mail you want to work with will be there. Select that mail and then select high under protection level. When you've done that, just click on OK, and this option blocks most suspicious email automatically. Another way you can do this is to always report scam or phishing email. Steps how you can go about this is this: select the particular scam email that is giving you issues. When you've done that, click on report or junk. So let me just show you an example. All right, so you select the particular email that is giving you issues. You select like this. When you've done that, you'll see the option to click on report or junk email. When you've done that, click on choose phishing or scam, and when you've done that, that particular mail would not just be deleted, but it will be reported first. So when you've done all of that, it helps Microsoft Outlook to block automatically this kind of mails whenever they come into your DM. Another thing you can do is to directly block the sender and their domain. All right, another thing you can do is to use save senders only mode, which helps to protect all forms of junk email. You can decide to create a particular rule to auto delete scam emails as well. So these are the various ways that you can block a junk email in your Microsoft Outlook. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to stop all scam emails in Microsoft Outlook. Until next time, bye for now.